Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make eggplant soup. I have habanero pepper, bell pepper, and onions. Here's the eggplant. I'm washing it. And then I have some chicken here that I'm taking off the skin and washing it real good to remove any fat and dirt. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I am going to clean up after myself by washing the sink and removing all the germs and all from the sink. And then I will be placing the chicken in the pot, cutting up some onions, adding some salt. Okay, bring the chicken to a boil. Once that is boiled, I'll be adding my washed eggplant in the pot with the chicken, and add some water to make sure that the chicken is soft and the eggplant is soft. So I'm cooking this till it's soft. Once that is soft, you can put it in the blender. You can use any eggplant that you like. There's different kinds of eggplants. So I cut up my eggplant into small pieces so I can blend it with the pepper, habanero pepper, and onions. Okay, once it's blended, I'll add it to the pot, but I'm roughly blending my pepper. I'm not going to be making it smooth. So you roughly blend it, then add it to the pot that has the chicken and the stock. So mix the pepper with the chicken, add some palm oil to the pot, a little bit of palm oil, add some salt, add some chicken seasoning, extra pepper if you want, and you can add crayfish or stockfish if you like. I'm adding crayfish, and then bring it to a boil, stir it real well, and that's it. Very nice. You can eat anything you want. Share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.